Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog on this super cold morning. The dash has finally not lied for once. It is indeed 32 degrees. The dash says 32, the phone says 32, the body says 32. The puddles say 32, because 32 is the temperature of freezing, the old zero. If you go by Celsius. And here we are in Williamsburg, Brooklyn, on our way to Dumbo. Nice and simple, nice and easy. Is this person going to be upset if I get ahead of them? I hope not. Hopefully not, but it's possible they are. And we're recording, which is a bonus when you're trying to do a vlog, right? What's today's topic? No topic. Today's topic is just nice, crispy, cold ride. One of the last winter days, I'd imagine, because warm temperatures are coming really soon. We already had a couple of warm days. Come on, fam. Well, yeah, everything is frozen. So, for example, like me leading on these plates right here, out of the question. Not happening. Because I could, like, lay this baby down. I actually washed this baby the other day. So it's clean. And we got the new pipe, which sounds kind of nice. Nice and chill. To the right here. We have to make this light. We have to squeeze in. It's totally happening. I'll pull up in the front right here like that. Boom. Look. There's plenty of room. And if somebody's upset, I'm sure they will fucking let it be known. It's a little bit chilly. My gloves are on one. I'm wearing two thermals and the Saint puffer, which I do recommend, honestly. The biggest benefit of this jacket is not, I mean, it's not that it's particularly warm, is that it gives you enough room to layer. And I'm the layering king. And anybody who likes to stay warm knows that layers is the magic. Alright, I'm gonna turn up the gloves a little bit. The tires are cold as shit, so that's why we're not pushing nothing. Oh boy, these people, man, what the fuck kind of maneuvering is this? You throw on your turn signal like you're gonna do something, and then you hitch out. We're fine. Look at this cute little Prius. This Prius, man. Oh. Sorry. A little bit loud there. I wonder if my vents are open or something. No, they're closed. Because the top of my head is a little chilly, which is somewhat surprising. I want to open up a little bit, but this fucking Volvo. A little bit of speed, you know what I mean? Just a little touch. Get up there for a second or a half, whatnot. for splitting. Again, Splitting is my middle name. It's nice to not be called on a motorcycle. It's really, really nice. So where you can just commute, do what you gotta do. Definitely not pleasant. Is that a cop? It looks like a fucking cop. It might be. No, it's not. New Jersey plates. Certainly not a cop that I should be afraid of, even if it was a cop. I could go the touristic route. The touristic route. I just like the shorter route because it's shorter. At least we're in the sun here. The sun is nice. Come on, man, you can pull up a little bit. Freaking RAV4, bro. Really, you're squeezing me, bro? Is this happening? I don't think so. We'll go the scenic route just to see what it's all about. Let's see what the big temperature thing says. The big temperature thing in the sky. This guy's taking a left. That's cool. I respect that. Why is all this happening? People just don't want to fucking go anywhere, I guess, huh? There we go. There we go. I could have passed all of them, but it's okay. Fresh air. Fresh. See, the bike now says 36. Bullshit. It's freaking cold right now. It is not 36 nothing. We'll stay here. We'll relax. That's why I took this scenic route, to relax. Because otherwise I would have been off the highway already. We're under Manhattan Bridge right now. The road I often take because folks are blending into the left, so that's why this is a thing. We got the Tetris building over here. Got excited for a second there. I was like, we're cruising. It's all good. 100 feet. We're good. Look, that's the cheesy view, you know, like the one that all the fucking nerds fight over. Good job. we get off now? Thank you. Green light. Give it to me. My gloves are gloving. Yeah, boy. That sounds nice. I haven't opened up my helmet shield because I'm a little warm. Yeah, this is why I don't go this way, because this is extra easily 5 minutes or so that are not necessary, to be honest. Come on. Give me that. Here we go. There we go. I love this building. Look how massive this thing is. It's like a freaking castle. Imagine being at the fucking top of that. Should I pass this guy? This guy is chilling. Pass them 7 different times, but it's okay. Today is the message of respect. Yeah, in your puny little car, you can't fucking take a bump. Alright. Alright, fam. That's why I don't go that way. All this extra this and that. What are you doing, sister? There we go. Just like that. We got a little parking spot. Beautiful life. Beautiful life. Beautiful. Alright, well, as always, thank you for watching. Look at this view. Oh man. Oh, look at that guy. He's running in shorts. Soldier. Let's see. Gotta stay warm out there. Gotta stay warm out there. Gotta stay warm out there. All right. Now I need to get my lock out. This is the saddest part of the ride when I'm here, because all of a sudden I just remembered that I'm not like on some magical tour. I'm not on my way to go get like a breakfast sandwich or something. I'm actually on my way to the office for like 8 million hours. You know what I mean? Oh, I love this guy. That's a good ice spot picture. Yeah, so like now I have to get in character. Now I have to get in shape. I should have trimmed my nails. That's fucked up. Look at this. Easy work. Boom. And I like parking over here better because over there's a lot of construction, a lot of trucks. Over here it's chill. But yeah, look at this thing. People were talking shit about my fairing. It's kind of growing on me, and I gotta wrap it. I've been putting it off, which is a shame. Alright, so let me put the head, pull the head out. I got like a whole system. You know what I mean? The gloves go away. The hat comes out. The helmet comes off. And play this whole game. All right. Beautiful. All right, kids. Well, thank you for watching. We'll talk soon, I'm sure.